With Reonomy's interactive map, you can walk neighborhoods from your desk. Let's show you how. First, log into Reonomy and then type in address or BBL in the search bar. That's your property's detail page. The interactive map is on the left with the property you searched highlighted in teal. If you want to zoom, use the plus and minus buttons on the left. Click on any neighboring parcel to see their property details. Click View to see even more information. Who knew canvassing could be so simple? For additional help, email clientsuccess@reonomy.com.